Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we would like to present our proposal for subject ISP550 Information System Engineering. Our proposal is for company Ramli Food Processing Sdn Bhd. Our proposed system is Ramli Frozen Food Delivery. Before that, I would like to introduce our team member. Firstly, my name, Muhammad Sarhan bin Yaakob. And then Ahmad Izu Iman bin Ahmad Kamal, Muhammad Najmi bin Hashim, Muhammad Fatur Rahman bin Muhammad Karudin, Muhammad Arif bin Azmaizam, and lastly Syarul bin Mahrin. Okay. For organization background. Okay, Ramli Food Processing Sdn Bhd, formerly known as Perusahaan Ramli Burger, Moknin Sdn Bhd, was founded in 1984 by the husband and wife. That's it, Datuk Dr. Haji Ramli Moknin and his wife Datin Hajah Shala Siah Abdul Manap on the noble platform to produce halal, hygiene and quality product. The company owned a processing plant located in SME Industrial Park, Mukim Batu, Kuala Lumpur, Wilayah Persekutuan, offering career opportunities in management, production, to produce, marketing and distribution halal food. To the date, Kumpulan Ramli has 10 subsidiary company operate within the group. Okay, the current information system in the organization is consumer can shop only at Ramli Halal Mart only to enjoy Ramli frozen and fresh product. There has no online ordering system or anything using online. So Ramli operate at the 9 Ramli Halal Mart in the Peninsula Malaysia. So all customer and consumer must go to the Halal Mart to buy their product. Okay, for the next slide, I will pass to my friend. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syarul bin Bahrin. Thank you, my friend, Mr. Sarhan. I will continue the presentation. As you can see now at the screen, this is the current business process for the Ramli Food Processing Sdn Bhd. You can see they are using the traditional transaction and using offline method. As you can see on the screen, on the right screen, first, when we got the phone call or email order, we check the order, whether the order is complete or not. Is the order is not complete, the order is reject to the customer back. And after we check the order is complete, the order is approved, approve the order and go to the product searching and search what the customer want to order, and then customer can pick the product. We pick the product and customer have to choose whether they want to cancel the order or take the order and make the payment. And confirm order, and the transaction is end. In the other side, at the reporting, we can view the report. Currently, I have to report payment report and order report, and that the reporting is, we can view the reporting for payment order and order report. Okay, that's all for the current business process for the Ramli Food Processing. Okay, next, I will pass this presentation to my friends. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Right. Now the problem that Ramli facing is the first one, limitation in audience reach. So our audience receive are very limited as Ramli only have 9 outlet offline market to selling their product to consumer. that near from the area place. So it's very limited to get the audience from that only 9 outlet offline. Right. The second one is high marketing cost. So advertising normally in print or via live broadcasting means like television is very expensive. As more especially the Ramly is quite big and famous company. So it's high cost as Ramly only focus on this kind of platform, right? The third one is limited accessibility. So for information, Ramly still use traditional methods where only address of the physical office building and office phone number is indicated. So accessibility is therefore very limited. So if they have a consumer or customer want to reach them, it's quite very difficult for them as only office phone number is indicated and physical office building address only they provide on the website. So lastly, is time frame. So for information, Ramly can operate the 24 hours as their offline business have a specific time, of course, of operation, and they close at a certain time as they only have 9 outlet offline market. Therefore, they have specific time to operate their offline market. Right. So that's all for me.
This is the activity diagram, the flow of the proposed system. Admin can log in into the system. After admin log in into the system, they can add category and modify the detail. And also can add the item, edit the item or remove the item, or change the price of the item or the quantity of the item. And also can manage order, or confirm or cancel the order. Admin also can manage the user, active or inactive user. They also can search the product, add to the cart, make payment, confirm order, or cancel the order. For the user side or the customer side, they can log in into the system. They can search the product, they can add the product to the cart, they can make payment, confirm the order, or cancel the order. They also can edit their profile, change the password, and they can view the report, receipt. They can make a payment, they can view the payment report or the order report.
So moving on to the benefits, we have 4 main benefits. The first one is no limitation in customer, low marketing cost, unlimited access to customer service, and 24 hours business operation. So for the no limitation in customer, we now have unlimited customer as our products are now available online. Our products can reach more customer rather than limited to people who lives near the outlets. And the low marketing cost, we can use Facebook and Instagram as our advertising channel, and we also can reduce the cost as this medium are free. And next is the unlimited access to customer service. The 24 hours customer service can improve the service as customer can reach us anytime and anywhere. Lastly, the 24 hours business operation. The business can now run 24 hours every day and are not restricted to office hour only. So next, this is the plan for requirement. The first one is identifying the stakeholder and get input for requirement. Then research the company website, and lastly creating a requirement plan that will fit the schedule and cost of the proposed plan.
Hello, it's my turn to propose project timeline for Ramly Frozen Food Delivery. In the Ramly Frozen Food Delivery, we have a research plus discovery, sprint 1, sprint 2, sprint 3 and sprint 4. I go through the research plus discovery because my team already complete for this research, and then we not complete yet because my project is not done yet. So for research and plus discovery, we start at 3 June 2022 and end at 10 June 2022, and already complete this task at 83%. In the research plus discovery, we have a defined project scope. We already done at 8 June and 100% done. For defined stakeholder, we already done to at 8 June and 100% too. For the scope finalized, we done 8 June 2 but only 50%. For requirement finalized, we done at 9 June, only done at 60%. And for project plan creation, we already complete at 90%. Same to at key-off meeting, done at 10 June at 90% percentage. For the then we now go to the sprint 1, sprint 2, sprint 3 and sprint 4 because we not complete that. We not complete yet for the task to complete because not already in due again. So I go to the conclusion. For conclusion, e-commerce still represent of the business method that take advantage if done the right way. Even if the stock market and commodity fail, but e-commerce still able to survive and receive high transaction. E-commerce has a tremendous opportunity in the course of all business in Malaysia. In addition, it is also to introducing new technique and style in a transaction. Use the extensive e-commerce in the internet world is actually much better to bring the goodness of the individual of the state. E-commerce has undeniably become an important part of our society. The successful company of the future will be those that take e-commerce seriously. Dedicating sufficient resources to its development, e-commerce is not an IT issue but a whole business undertaking. Companies that use it as a reason for completely redesigning their business process are likely to reap the greatest benefit. Moreover, e-commerce is a helpful technology that gives the consumer access to business and companies all over the world. From this conclusion, my opinion is e-commerce still good reason to use nowadays. Thank you.